The 7-inch folding garden Hawkbill knife is a standout tool for gardeners and campers alike, offering versatility and precision with its high carbon steel blade. Handcrafted in Turkey, this knife features a nearly 3-inch concave blade designed for a variety of tasks including weed pruning, mushroom picking, and budding grafting. The dual-beveled, sickle-style blade is adept at handling suckers and harvesting greens, with its slight curve ensuring clean and efficient cuts. This Hawkbill knife is also handy for cutting through linoleum, vinyl, carpet, rope, and zip ties, making it a practical addition to any toolkit. The genuine wood handle, finished with a satin touch, provides both elegance and a comfortable grip, enhancing user experience during extended use. The blade locks securely in place, ensuring safety and stability during cutting tasks. Despite its robust performance, the high carbon content of the blade requires regular maintenance. It should be dried after use and lightly oiled to prevent rust. As a handmade product, each knife may exhibit unique characteristics, reflecting the artisanal craftsmanship involved. Whether you're tending to a garden or gearing up for outdoor adventures, this folding Hawkbill knife is designed to deliver sharp, reliable performance with every use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.